let's go. Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanne Marie. In case you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below so you never miss out on another video. Today's video, I'm really excited. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the new collection. I didn't buy the whole collection. I'm a huge fan of Adrienne from The Real, and recently she was on there and she was talking about she has a new handbag line, and so I immediately jumped on and loving to support women and their businesses, so I just went on to purchase a handbag, and I know that she mentioned something about it being vegan leather and things like that. But anyway, I'm such a huge fan of her. I love her channel on YouTube, and I always watch it and I always support her, and I low-key, I'm a huge fan of hers. Love the show, love the women on there, so I wanted to jump on and I purchased the handbag, one of the handbags. We're gonna unbox this together and we're gonna see it together. So this is the box that it came in. I'm gonna butcher the name, so I'm not even going to try to even pronounce this name. I know that it's French. I know that she's inspired a lot with Paris. Oh, let me take my phone, because you know that beeping sound. Anyway, I was saying that I don't even begin to even pronounce this name because I'm gonna butcher it, but I know that it's inspired from Paris. She got married in Paris, and she one day wants to open up a boutique, I believe, or something in Paris. So I know that she will achieve that, and I'm rooting for her and I support her so much. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna get on my box. I love handbags. I am starting a collection of them. I actually have my husband right here. He's laying in bed, and I told him, I was like, usually I would probably say, hey babe, can you step outside, because you know I'm gonna record a video. But I told him I wanted him here because I want to get comfortable and not being so shy, because I do get shy when my husband's like around, because I know that he's like listening to everything, right babe?
Yes.
But I told him, you're gonna be my cameraman one day. Like, you're gonna be like being the guy behind the camera and in front of the camera, so we all just need to get used to this. So it's by Adrienne, and the bag is called La Mode. It's sapphire blue. Okay. And I remember when she was describing her company on the talk show, she was describing how the little details of the packaging, it always means so much. And so here it is. This is what it looks like. Awesome. It almost kind of resembles a shoebox, but I love it already. And what's interesting that when she mentioned about just the unboxing is this experience of unboxing something. Recently, my son was in his class. They were talking about even the iPhone company, Apple, how they have their packaging of the phone, and it's just like an experience when you get the package and the way that it looks and you open it up. So I could see how important it is to have good packaging. So I'm just kind of stalling. I'm ready to open it up though. Let's go. Oh, how nice. And it was very, very affordable as well. Did I have the price on here? I think I paid just a little bit over $100 for this bag. No, you didn't hear that part. Okay, so I unboxed it. Wow. It is an experience. I am having an experience already. The tissue paper. Oh my gosh. It's so inspiring just to see how she's just so down to earth. That's why I'm such a fan of hers. Just to see her name on her own brand of handbags is just so amazing. It's kind of goals, you know? And here is the handbag bag, the dust bag as I call it. Ooh, love that. Do this bag here. Here we go. Oh my god. I picked this color because it's a color I do not own currently, and I figured it's a nice change. Ooh. Look at. There she is. The handbag is being born. Oh my goodness. How nice is this? Let me feel, oh my gosh. She said, she mentioned it was vegan leather. I'm not a vegan, but vegans out there would appreciate this. Let me unbox this part. Wow, check that out, guys. Very nice. I like that it's small. I love the feeling of it. It has a look of snakeskin. Look at the inside. Ooh. I am a handbag enthusiast as well, just like the quality, what's in there. Oh, how cool. It's a little locket with a key. Very nice. Very, very nice. Check that out. It actually could even go with this sweater that I have on too. It matches. I love this color blue. Do you like this color, babe? It's a nice color.
Yes.
It's very nice. I like. Awesome. She did good. You did good, Adrienne. You did good. I love your bag. So it is definitely Joanne Marie approved. Definitely. I love the packaging. Everything about it, I love. I'm excited. There was actually some other bags on there on the website that I went on as soon as I heard about this company, and it was already sold out. So it's kudos to her and this company. So exciting. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to use this bag, to put it in my everyday schedule, to wear this bag. I really like it. But again, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on another video. And until next time, catch me in another video. Bye.